States na ililipat sa veterans. Pero puro fake news yan. Dahil kanina, pagdating ko dito, I was advised by General Marvil that when they will bring the former president to Krame, sa Coster, I will be allowed to accompany him as his legal counsel. Pero they never allowed me to see him when he arrived. Hindi namin nakausap. They told me, yung nakausap ko sila Kanilaw, Ambassador Kanilaw yata ng Interpol, he told me that there is a warrant of arrest, but he never showed it to me. So until now, I have not seen a copy of the warrant of arrest.
So it's illegal?
Well, my assumption is illegal ang arrest niya dahil wala pinapakita sa amin. Kung meron sana, di pinakita sa akin.
Yes.
That's the legal basis for his arrest. Ngayon, hindi kami pinapapasok. Anong ibig sabihin nun?
Repeat this in English. So, can you repeat your comments in English?
Why?
Better for me to translate international media.
Well, I was telling them that I was not able to see the president when we arrived. Contrary to the promise of Major Marvil, or General Marvil, that I will be allowed to escort the former president when they will bring him to Krame in a coaster. Now, when he arrived, I was never allowed, together with Senator Bongo, we were not allowed to see him. And we were not allowed to accompany him when they brought him here. So, as I said earlier, I never saw a copy of the warrant of arrest. So my assumption is that there is no warrant of arrest. Because if there is, then the natural thing for them to do is to show it to us as the counsel of the former president.
Expectation for the next step?
What?
What's your expectation for the government's next step? How will they treat President Duterte?
Expectation daw po ng next step na gagawin ng ating gobyerno ni PBBM.
Well, I don't know what the president himself said that he will not allow ICC to investigate the president because this is an affront to our national sovereignty, and it might create the idea that our justice system in the country is not working.
Sir, sabi kayo na bigyan ng warrant of arrest, so ibig sabihin, binasa ng Miranda rights si Pangulo?
Kung meron warrant of arrest, ba't hindi pakita sa amin?
Bilang kayo legal counsel?
Legal counsel,
Sir, ano na pong legal recourse natin for now? Will we be filing any petition?
Well, we are waiting for the development because we cannot even talk to him. That is his entitlement. Legal assistance as well as immediate medical assistance.
Any one lawyer, sir? Walang tao sa loob? Walang kasama?
Well, I don't know, but I think former Executive Secretary Major Dea is with him. I'm not even sure about that. No, they said dadalhin sa veterans. Again, subject to verification yan.
Depende niyo lang po sa amin yung process. Ano po mangyayari after niyang basahan na Miranda rights dyan sa loob? Saan po sa dadalhin and ano yung magiging action ng legal team?
Well, kung talagang may warrant of arrest, then they should bring him where he rightfully belongs. Pero hindi naman pinapakita sa amin ng warrant of arrest. Sino nag-issue ng warrant of arrest? The Department of Justice of the Government Republic of the Philippines or that ICC has no jurisdiction. No less than President Marcos said that ICC has no jurisdiction over our country because it is an affront to our national sovereignty. At saka the President Duterte is to admit that our justice system is not working.
So are you saying, sir, na illegal?
Yun ang sinabi niya
Sir, are you saying na illegal yung detention na?
Well, as far as I know, because I did not see the warrant of arrest, the detention is illegal. If they show me the warrant of arrest, then probably it will be a different position.
Kasi information na dadalhin lang sa BMMC. Tapos,
Ayun ang, again, that is message lang yan. We can never be sure about this. Yun ang nag-text sa akin na dadalhin sa veteran. Sa message,
Sir, sagot mo muna, sir.
Wala yun. Social call yun. Yan. Another interview to mahirap na.
Sir, kanina hindi kayo pinalapit.
Ha? Hindi nga eh. Hindi nga eh. Ano, nang hindi ko maintindihan eh. Katabi ko si Ambassador Lacalilaw, si General Marby. I was even escorted by a General de Guzman. Oh, and then suddenly dumating si Presidente, they didn't allow us to see him. Ano ba ibig sabihin nun? Why? Why not?
Sir, nakausap niyo na po ba yung kahit isa sa pamilya na
Wala pa rin, wala pa rin. Wala pa rin, wala. Ha? Yan o, pinasundo na daw kayo. Hindi naman kami sinundo. Lilipat na daw sa veterans at doon sa ilagay. O yan. All. Ha? Sira, tignan ko na. Ang dami kasi interruption eh. Ayan, si General Ante Monteagudo.
Sir, last na, anong comment niyo po doon sa sinasabi kasi na hindi naman daw kasi dumaan ng ICC but through Interpol. So technically, hindi daw tayo nakapag-cooperate with the ICC but we cooperated with our responsibility with the Interpol. What can you comment on that?
The process should be, if there is really a warrant of arrest, it should be given to our Department of Justice para sila mag-implement. Oh. Pero at saka kung talagang meron silang warrant of arrest, ang daling gumawa ng kopya, picturein nila, pakita nila. Bakit hanggang ngayon di nila pinapakita? So imaginary yung warrant of arrest. Oh, bakit hindi nila pakita? Para makita ng buong bayan that there is a warrant of arrest. Picturein nila. At kung sino nag-issue ng warrant of arrest.
Pero paano sir kung sealed siya? Kasi may sinasabi pong angle na the warrant of arrest has been sealed. Kasi may mga instances na ICC warrants of is sealed. Pero binibigyan
that is not allowed in our country. In our country, when you are arrested, you have to be shown the warrant of arrest. That is the legal basis for your arrest.
And the warrant arrest dapat should be coming from DOJ, right?
Oh, alin?
Yung warrant of arrest dapat po sa DOJ.
Dapat pakita sa'yo. At least the lawyer niya. Kagaya ko, I was there early this morning, but hindi pinakita sa akin kung talaga meron.
Hindi pa pwedeng direct sa kanya.
Pwede rin. Oo.
Di ba hindi mo pwedeng ipagtanggol ng abogado sa makilat na lang? Sa camera po.
Alin?
Hindi pwedeng ipagtanggol ng abogado, si Duterte sa abogado, right? But
Yes,
hindi naman pwedeng ipagtanggol sa sarili kasi dapat nandun kayo dahil karapatan niyo.
That's right. He's entitled to legal assistance. That is his constitutional right. Constitutional right to legal assistance. Immediate medical assistance. Those are all constitutional rights. You cannot deprive anybody, even the lowest Filipino cannot be deprived of that right. No more or less ang ating former president.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
General what? Monteagudo? General Monteagudo?
O, yun ang text sa akin.
Alex Monteagudo.
Oh, yeah, Alex. Oh.
Alex Monteagudo.